Avantier's in-house metrology utilizes the Cary 7000 UV-Vis-NIR spectrophotometer, equipped with internal diffuse reflectance accessories, to deliver precise measurements across the UV, visible, and near-infrared spectrum. This system provides accurate and repeatable diffuse reflectance data, essential for analyzing complex or scattering materials in advanced research and industrial applications. Avantier's expert metrology team performs rigorous instrument calibration and develops tailored measurement protocols, ensuring data reliability and consistency that meet demanding research and industrial standards. Avantier, empowering optical innovations.